Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to reset the forgotten Windows 10 administrator password. This is by Param. The name of the channel is Do It Yourself. So guys, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel. So if you have any problem or any doubt, you can ask your query in the comment section. I will try my level best to assist you. So guys, what I have to do, I have to restart my system so that I can explain you the procedure how to reset this administrator password. So let me restart my system. We will go to start button, then on power button we will click on this button and then restart. What we have to do, we will restart our system. When it get ready for restart, we'll shut it down by pressing the power button. This is power button, you can see over here. So let me start. The system is restarting. I will show you when to press this button. On this very moment, when this you will press the power button again and try to start the system. When the booting process starts, you will have to press the power button again and you will wait until the system gets shut down. So we have to repeat this process for 2 times. Now I will press the power button. You will see this power button I have pressed, and now I will let it start. I want the advanced options. This is the message preparing automatic repair has been displayed on the screen. So we will wait till this goes to the repair mode. It is diagnosing your PC. We will wait till the options appear. So from this very point we will go to advanced option, and in advanced options we'll click on troubleshoot, then again advanced options and system image recovery. In system image recovery you will see that we'll get these 2 options. We'll cancel this and click on the next option. After this we will go to the advanced, and here we have 2 options. Image on the network, we'll pick the second option, install, and then OK. Here we will get these options. We'll click on this very drop down arrow. In the drop down arrow we will pick the local disk D, and in local disk D we'll locate the Windows folder. In the Windows folder we will locate system32 file. This is system32. We will open this file. In system32 we will locate utilman. Here it is. We will rename this file as utilman. I'll write it utilman 1, right, and click on over here. Now I will go to cmd. This is command prompt. I will rename this to utilman. And then I will click over here, utilman. I will cancel this and cancel this. I will cancel this also. Now I will click on continue. Now you can bypass your password, whichever administrator password you have set. You can bypass this password by using these steps which I have explained to you. Now wait till we reach the first screen where we have been asked to enter the password. Now we are here on this screen. What you have to do, you have to click on this option. Look over here, we have ease to access option. We will click on this option, ease to access. The command prompt is over here. Now what you have to do, you will type the command net user and click on enter. We will type the command net user juck, as I want to change the password of juck. So net user juck space asterisk and then enter. Here it has been asking to type a password for the user. I am not going to type any password for this. I will simply press enter, retype the password to confirm. I will again press enter. The command completed successfully. Now I will type exit to come out of this window. Exit. Now you can see the very first window where we have to type the password to log into our system. I will click on this arrow without typing any password. It is blank right now. You can see that it is blank. I have not written anything over here, right? I will click on this arrow and you can see the window is logged in and the first screen is in front of you. So by using these commands, you can easily access your system if you forget your administrator password. So guys, I hope you have understand this process, and if you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon, guys. Thank you very much.